Hello! Today I will show you how to sell digital items on System.io.
Log into your System.io account and on the menu bar click Funnels. And then click Create to make a new item and then name the item that you want to sell. You can also edit the funnel domain and then click Sell to sell your product or service. Change the currency that you want to use in our page. I'm just going to put in US dollar and then click Save when you're finished. Click on the name of the newly created funnel so we can customize the pages. As you can see, there's automatically pages made for you, but there is no sales page. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Add Step and name it Sales Page. Click Type and then choose Sales Page. Then Save. As you can see, the pages are not in order. So what we're going to do is that we're going to click and drag it to the very top because it's important that the customers see the sales page first. Next step is to choose from the list which design we want our sales page to have. We want this template for now and click Select. You can edit the name and then edit the URL path. And after that, click Edit Page. This will direct you to a Canva-like editor. As you can see, there's a lot of tools and then options for you to customize the page. But we're not going to go through that right now because it's a lot of explanation and that's a whole new video for it. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly customize the images and the text for our sample. And then after you've done all your customizing, click Save Changes and then wait for it to save. After it saves, click on this button to exit the editor. Now we have completely customized our sales page. Let's move on to order form. Same, we will be choosing which template design we want our order form to have. I'm just going to select this one. Again, you can edit the name or URL path. And then you can also add affiliate commissions if you want or a sales limit. Choose digital product. And then you can add resources. These are the items or access that you want your clients to have after they have purchased your product. But we don't have that, so we're going to skip that. Choose price plans. And then let's create a new one. Name the price plan that you want your product to have. Say vectors. And then the name of the price plan that is displayed in your dashboard, and then a statement descriptor, which is the statement your client will see when they purchase it. Now select price plan type. We're just going to do a one-time payment and then set how much our product would be. Let's say $18. Click Save when you're done. You can also add a coupon if you want or have those types, but we're not going to do that right now. And then let's move on to the thank you page. You're going to select a web template design again for your thank you page or the page you want your clients to see when they purchase the product. Once you've edited the name or URL path, click Edit Page. Here you can fully edit the page again, and when you're done, click Save Changes. Click the other button to exit the editor, and then you have fully customized all your pages. If you also want to remove a page, just click on the dots and then click Remove. Confirm to fully delete the page, like so. After we have fully customized the pages, go to Emails and then click Campaigns. Let's create a new campaign. Name it Client. Then click on the name of the campaign and then click Create again. Let's name the campaign subject is Vector Purchase. This is the email we want our client to have when they have purchased the vectors. And then sender name, sample, a sample business address. You can choose visual editor and then pick a template or a classic editor, which what we're going to use for now. Now we are going to edit the email that the client is going to receive after they have purchased our vector package. So subject, vector purchase, and then we will type in the message. Insert the link of the vector package or your product so that the client can click and then be redirected to the product. I'm just going to type in a sample. There we go. And now, if the client would to have or to receive this email, they are prompted to click this part to receive the purchase. After that, you can also attach anything like an email marketing campaign or ad or flyer to your email, and then click Save and Publish. This email will be sent after. Choose after which email to add this one. We don't have any other active email campaign, so it's blank. Delay before sending email, let's type in minutes because this is where they're going to receive the product. And then click Activate. There you go. Now we have saved our email campaign, and let's go back to our funnels. Then click on the funnel that we just made and then go to order form again. Click on automation rules and then we're going to add a rule. Click new sale. This will happen when the customer makes a purchase. So we're going to connect this to the email campaign that we have made. Add action. And then add a tag. So we want, when a client purchases something, we want them to be tagged as client. Add another action, and then click subscribe to a campaign. Now this is where we're going to link our newly created email campaign to our product. So we're going to choose client, and then save rule. There we go. Now to fully see what we have just made, view funnel. Now we can see the page that we have customized and then test out if the buttons are working. There you go. Now the client can enter their name. Now this is the package payment that we just entered, and then mode of payment. And then when they click this button, they will be sent the email campaign that we just made a couple of minutes ago. So there you go. That's how you make or sell a digital product in System.io.